Well, DJI is showing off again, because somehow the DJI Mini 5 Pro is still ridiculously small, still ridiculously easy to fly, and somehow even smarter than the drone sitting next to it. At this point, DJI isn't just making drones. They're making everybody else's drones look like they're stuck in the past. And honestly, that's gotta piss the competition off. Yo, what's good, legends? Welcome back to Uncensored Reviews, the place where fake influencer hype gets exposed, overpriced tech bullshit gets absolutely cooked, and companies trying to recycle old garbage as innovation get called out like the greedy little assholes they are. And yeah, if you're thinking about grabbing the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo, I dropped the link down below. Go check that shit out after the video. If you're new here, hit like, subscribe, and all that good shit, because this channel stays raw, uncensored, and brutally honest. No fake hype, no sponsored bullshit, no influencers pretending every drone automatically makes them a professional filmmaker. Today we're talking about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and this little flying beast is absolutely ridiculous. Let's be honest for a second. A few years ago, if you wanted cinematic drone footage, you needed a massive drone, expensive batteries, a giant backpack, and enough confidence to launch what basically looked like a flying lawnmower. Now, DJI hands you something that folds into your backpack, weighs almost nothing, and shoots footage that'll make your Instagram followers think you hired a helicopter. That's insane. The first thing that impressed me was how effortless everything feels. Unfold it, power it on, wait a few seconds, take off. That's it. No fighting with confusing menus. No spending 20 minutes trying to figure out why the drone refuses to connect. It just works. Imagine that. Technology that actually behaves itself. Now let's talk about the camera, because that's the whole reason you're buying a drone. Thankfully, DJI absolutely cooked. The video is ridiculously sharp. Colors look natural. Highlights stay under control. Shadows keep plenty of detail. Whether you're filming beaches, mountains, city skylines, road trips, or your buddy doing something incredibly stupid, everything comes out looking cinematic. And honestly, it almost feels unfair, because this drone makes average users look like experienced filmmakers. Now here's where things get really interesting. The stabilization, holy shit. Wind? No problem. Slow cinematic movements? Easy. Flying around corners? Smooth as butter. The Mini 5 Pro somehow floats through the air like it's ignoring the laws of physics. Meanwhile, I'd probably trip over absolutely nothing just walking across a parking lot. DJI's stabilization is honestly becoming ridiculous. Now let's talk obstacle avoidance, because we've all had that moment. You're flying towards some trees thinking, yeah, I think it'll fit. Spoiler alert, it usually doesn't. Thankfully, the Mini 5 Pro is packed with sensors that help keep you from making expensive mistakes. Does that mean you should fly like a complete idiot? Absolutely not. Slow the f down, asshole. Technology helps. It doesn't replace common sense. Now let's talk activetrack, because this feature still feels like witchcraft. You lock onto yourself. Start walking, start running. Ride a bike, hop in a car. The drone just follows you like it's your own personal flying cameraman. No second operator, no complicated setup. Just hit a button and let the drone do the work. That's the kind of shit that would have looked impossible 10 years ago. Now, battery life. And thank f***, because nothing kills the mood faster than flying for 15 minutes and then hearing low battery warnings. The Fly More combo gives you multiple batteries, which completely changes the experience. If you're traveling or filming content all day, that's a massive advantage. Now, let's slow things down, because no drone is perfect. The price. Yeah, DJI knows they've got one of the best compact drones on the planet, and they price it like they know it. So, is the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo worth it? I dropped the link down below. Go check that shit. If this review helped you out, hit like, drop a comment telling me the first place you'd fly the Mini 5 Pro, and subscribe for more real, uncensored, no bullshit tech reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll see you legends in the next one. Until then, peace the f*** out.